In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your Skyworth Smart TV using a HDMI cable. Now over here is my soundbar, and here I have my Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Skyworth Smart TV you have, whether it's the Skyworth Google or the Skyworth Android TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect any soundbar to your Skyworth Smart TV using a HDMI cable. Now first things first, if you do not know how a HDMI cable looks like, this is basically how a HDMI cable looks like from end to end. You can literally see. I am also going to be leaving links to this particular cable in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and get one to connect your soundbar to your Skyworth Smart TV. Now once you get this cable, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect one end of your HDMI cable over here to your soundbar. In most soundbar, the HDMI port is usually labeled HDMI out or just HDMI and ARC. So just go ahead and connect one end of your HDMI cable to that HDMI port on your soundbar. Once it is connected, you want to go over to the back of your Skyworth Smart TV, then go ahead and connect this other end of your HDMI cable to the HDMI and ARC port on your Skyworth Smart TV. Usually, your Skyworth Smart TV should have more than one HDMI port, but if you want the best sound quality when connecting a HDMI cable to your Skyworth Smart TV, then go ahead and make sure it is connected on the HDMI port that is labeled HDMI and ARC or HDMI and eARC. And once you've done that, you're good to go. Now finally, in order for this to work, both your soundbar and your Skyworth Smart TV has to be on HDMI mode. So if your soundbar actually supports different modes, for instance, mine over here actually supports the Bluetooth, optical cable mode, HDMI mode. So you want to go ahead and make sure that it is actually set to HDMI mode. In some soundbar, the HDMI mode is known as ARC, that is ARC or eARC. So just go ahead and make sure it is set to ARC, HDMI mode or eARC. As you can see, mine is actually set to ARC, which is ARC. Now finally, the last thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Skyworth Smart TV is also on HDMI mode, and once you do that, the audio or sound from your Skyworth Smart TV will start coming from your soundbar over here. Basically, you want to head over to the settings of your Skyworth Smart TV, go ahead and click on the settings icon, come over to the sound settings over here, and then under the audio output, you want to go ahead and make sure you select HDMI or HDMI and ARC or HDMI and eARC. This will automatically make the audio or sound from the TV to start passing through the HDMI cable that is connected to it into our soundbar over here. But it is also important to note that not all Skyworth Smart TVs actually support HDMI connection to audio devices like soundbars and speakers. So if you have smaller Skyworth Smart TV, you may not have this feature on your Skyworth Smart TV. But if you have a bigger Skyworth Smart TV, definitely you will have this feature on the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.